My name is Jennifer Alvarez. I am studying Industrial Engineering. My ED is Comprehending Intellectual Property. Obstacle to register intellectual property is excessive processing time. My flow chart. The excessive processing time is product flowery due to the loss of customer expectation. Low user confidence, excessive bureaucracy, unnecessary delay, unjustified paperwork, exhaustion, creative fatigue, discover grade for the work growth, rates of recompilation of the paper, insecurity when showing the product or idea, disqualification of the idea or product, reduction in the generation of new idea or product, ideas or obsolete product, events of new product, delay in the start out of the product or idea, delay in the execution or commercialization of the idea or product, increase in the growth in the execution of the idea. Recommendation to company. Unify paper verification with product inspection, leaving steps 1 and 2 unified. Truthful and accurate information that provide clarity in the process in order to prevent return. Thank you.